our channel. It's good to have you again. If you're stopping by our channel for the very first time, you're welcome to our skincare family. Okay, in today's video I'll be sharing with you some very important tips you need to know before formulating your organic whitening lotion. Okay, but first of all, you must understand that in organic there's nothing such as whitening. What we have in organic is glow, so you can have your glowing lotion, your glowing soap, your glowing scrub, glow oil, or lightening. Lightening is higher than glowing, so in lightening that's why you can get up to 2 shades lighter. Okay, and then you can have your glow, your lightening lotion, your lightening soap, your lightening scrub, your lightening oil. But when we talk about whitening, whitening is the higher dimension of skin lightening. When we talk about whitening, we mean going beyond organic but doing it the safe way. Okay, so when you hear about whitening in organic, don't be scared. You can achieve your skin whitening by using organic product. But when I say you're going beyond organic, I mean you're not using organic only, but you're using other ingredients that are very safe and healthy to use for your skin without any side effect, without damaging your skin, okay, without having skin issues such as stretch mark, green vein, and all of that, discoloration. So you can actually make your organic whitening cream, but here you're not using just organic only. This is where your serums come in, this is where your oils come in. But what matters here is the kind of serum you use, the kind of oil you use, and if at all you're using them at the right percentage. So for you to make an effective whitening lotion, an effective organic whitening lotion, you must put certain things into consideration. And number one, it's your whitening base cream. The base you use for your whitening cream matters a lot. The base you use for your whitening lotion matters a lot. You can actually make your base cream from scratch. You can make a good base cream from scratch that will give you that result. Your base cream on its own should be able to glow your skin. The base cream you're using for your whitening lotion should be able to glow your skin when you use it alone. You see why I said you don't need just a plain base cream, you need a whitening base cream. In my subsequent video, I'm going to show you how to make your organic whitening base cream from scratch. So tip number one, you must use a good whitening base cream for your whitening lotion. Tip number two, you must know how to combine your whitening powders. Okay, we have strong whitening powders and we have mild whitening powders. So for example, if you are making a whitening lotion, organic whitening lotion, you need like 3 strong whitening powders and 1 mild whitening powder. If you are making a lightening lotion, of course I told you whitening is a higher dimension of skin lightening. When you're making a lightening, organic lightening lotion, you need like 2 strong whitening powders and 1 mild whitening powder. If you're making just a glow lotion, then you can just use at least 1 mild whitening powder and 1 strong whitening powder. It doesn't mean the person will be so white, it's just going to glow. You want to see that glow popping, you want to see the skin popping. So for example, if maybe I'm making my whitening lotion now, I can use alpha button powder. It's a strong powder, whitening powder. You can use glutathione. Glutathione is strong. You can use sim white powder, it's strong. You can use kojic dip, and then you can use a mild powder like snow white or blushing powder. Giga white is also a strong whitening powder. Okay, so you use 3 strong on 1 mild one. Now after making your whitening lotion with the organic ingredients, you know, your base cream is there, your whitening powders are there, your antioxidant is there, your AHA is there, your essential oils are there. The next thing you, of course, you need propylene glycol. Okay, so your ingredient to get into the skin for you. If you want to give that cream a boost, this is where your serum and your whitening oils come in. So for example, if you want to make your plain base cream, you can use things such as whitening glycerin in place of vegetable glycerin. You can use whitening rose water in place of just plain distilled water. Yes, rose water, and there is whitening rose water. If you can get whitening rose water, good for you. And you can add something like licorice to your base cream. You want it to be a whitening base cream. It's not just your regular base cream with e-wax, stearic acid, and then cetyl alcohol with vegetable glycerin, lactic acid is not enough. You need something like vitamin C, you need something like licorice there, you need something like whitening glycerin, you need whitening rose water if possible. If you want your whitening cream to really come out active for you, after making your base cream, you have to scoop your base cream to your container, and then your oils. Some people will use just carrot oil, some will use pineapple orange oil, but here you use whitening oil. You use whitening oil, and it has a usage rate. That's why when you train with us, we tell you all our ingredient comes in percentage, not those regular 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon, 1 cup this, 1 cup that. No, we give you in percentage, so you know. We'll tell you the percentage of base cream to use, the percentage of whitening oil. We stated there, whitening oil, not just your regular oil. And by the time you finish it with your ingredient, your organic ingredient and everything, we tell you the percentage of serum to use. We even recommend serum for you. We tell you the serum to use, at what percentage we stated there. So you see, this is different from just mixing cream together, 0.2 serum there, 0.3 serum, 0.4 serum. No, we tell you the percentage because you are dealing with your skin. Skin is very sensitive. You don't want to damage your skin. Okay, you don't want to walk by and have people talking about your skin the wrong way. You want people to compliment you, walk up to you and ask you, oh, what are you using? I love your complexion, your skin is glowing. Okay, so that is it. Everything has principle. Everything has secret. In skincare, we have secret as well. So that is it. You must know your base cream you are using. You must know your oils you are using, whitening oil. You must know how to combine your powders. And you must know the pH of your powders. You must know the pH of the powder you are using. So that will determine the pH of your final product. You see? You must know the pH of your ingredient. The ingredient that is going into that product, you must know the pH of the powders. So at the end of the day, you know what pH your product should be. You don't have to, if for example your whitening powder has a pH of 3.5 to 6 or 3 to 6.5, the pH of your product at the end of the day should be within that range. You don't want your pH of your product to be 7 when your powders are supposed to be 3.5 to 6 or 6.5. What are you going to pH 7 for? Your ingredient will never work for you. You must know the pH of your powders. And that is why some powders are good in soap and some powders work very well in lotion. You cannot use some powders you use for your lotion in your soap because the pH of soap is alkaline and it's usually different from that of your lotion. Okay, so there are so many secrets. So guys, I believe you have learned something in today's video. You should take these tips into consideration when making your whitening product, and trust me, your organic product must come out effective for you. No story, no nothing, no wasting of ingredient, no wasting of money. If you follow these tips, your organic whitening cream will come out very well for you. But you must know the usage rate of that ingredient. I told you, ingredients have their usage rate. I did a video on this channel already where I talked about cosmetic active and their usage rates and how to dissolve them, their properties and solubility. I'm going to drop the link in the description box for you, so if you haven't seen that video, you can go and watch it. If you want to know more about skincare formulation and how to produce effective products, you want recipes that are very effective for you, then register for our online training. Register for our online training and get the best. I don't want this video to be too long. I believe you really learned something today. These same tips can be applicable in your oils. When you're making your oils, you can also combine them with good serum. Okay, I don't know, I'm supposed to drop a list of good serums and oils you can use. I'm going to list them in the description box for you. I'm just going to list down some good serums you can use, and then I will list good whitening oils you can use. If you want your whitening oils to come out very nice for you, you can also add serum. I did a whitening oil in this channel. I'm also going to drop the link so you see how I made that oil and how I added my serum with the percentage. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can send me a mail or drop a question in the comment section. Bye. See you in my next video.